In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the frustrating issue of your brush preview not showing up in Photoshop. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just getting started, this little glitch can really slow you down. And by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to get your brush preview circle back so you can get right back to creating. Let's jump straight into it. The very first thing you'll want to check is your caps lock key. Now, this might sound almost too simple, but trust me, this is the #1 reason people lose their brush preview in Photoshop. When caps lock is on, Photoshop switches the brush cursor from the familiar circle to a precise crosshair. This feature is actually helpful when you need pinpoint control, but most of us are looking for that visual preview of our brush size. So, just press the caps lock key to toggle it off and take a look at your workspace. The brush preview circle should pop back up immediately. If it does, great. But if you're still not seeing the circle, don't worry. There are a couple more steps you can try. The next thing to check is your cursor preferences within Photoshop itself. Sometimes settings get changed, either by accident or when customizing your workspace. And that can affect what you see on screen. On Windows, head up to Edit, then Preferences, and choose Cursors. On a Mac, you'll find it under Photoshop, then Settings, and again, select Cursors. In this menu, look for the section labeled Painting Cursors. The important option here is Normal Brush Tip. When this is selected, Photoshop displays that familiar circle that matches the actual size of your brush, giving you a visual guide as you paint, erase, or retouch. If you see that precise or brush size is selected, that could be the culprit. Go ahead and switch it to Normal Brush Tip. Sometimes these settings are changed by accident, or maybe you tried out a different setting and forgot about it. Changing it back should fix the preview. If you're not sure you got it right, take a moment to test your brush on a blank canvas. Move it around, and you should see the smooth circular outline that lets you know your brush is ready to go. If you've toggled off caps lock and reset your cursor preference, but you're still not getting the brush circle, there might be a minor glitch with the tool itself. This is rare, but it does happen, especially if Photoshop has been open for a long time, or if you've been switching between different tools frequently. The fix is simple. Just reset the brush tool to its default settings. To do this, click on the small brush icon at the far upper left of your workspace, right in the options bar. There's a little downward arrow or menu icon next to it, and when you click it, you'll see an option called Reset Tool. Go ahead and select that. Photoshop will restore all the brush tool's options to their original settings, which often resolves any hidden glitches. It may take a second for Photoshop to refresh. Don't worry if it seems to pause momentarily. That's perfectly normal. Once it's done, try using the brush again, and you should see your preview circle restored. So, those are the quick and reliable fixes for when your brush preview goes missing. Check your caps lock, confirm your cursor settings, and reset your tool if needed. These steps solve the problem for almost everyone, and they can save you a ton of time and frustration when you're in the middle of your work. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a like and let me know in the comments if you have any other Photoshop mysteries you want solved. Be sure to subscribe for more clear, practical tips to level up your creative workflow. Thanks for watching and happy editing.